In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Material Design Icons Figma plugin. For any designer working within Figma, having immediate access to a consistent high-quality icon library is absolutely essential. The Material Design Icons plugin seamlessly integrates a vast collection of these standardized icons directly into your design workflow, making the process of finding and inserting the perfect visual element incredibly straightforward. This tool is a fantastic time saver, and it plays a crucial role in helping you maintain a cohesive and professional visual language across all your design projects. To begin, you'll first need to be on your Figma canvas. Navigate to the specific file or page where you wish to add an icon. Once you're there, simply right-click anywhere on an empty portion of the canvas. This action will instantly bring up Figma's comprehensive context menu, which offers a wide array of options. Among these options, you'll find the incredibly useful Plugins section, which is where all your installed extensions reside. Go ahead and click on Plugins to reveal a sub-menu listing all the plugins available to you. Once you've clicked Plugins, a list of all your installed and recently used plugins will become visible. Your goal here is to locate the Material Design Icons plugin. If you have many plugins, you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Once you've identified Material Design Icons in the list, simply click on it. This action will launch the plugin, opening a dedicated window or panel directly within your Figma workspace, ready for you to explore its extensive icon library. With the Material Design Icons plugin now open, you'll be greeted by an impressive display of icons, often categorized or presented in a scrollable grid. This interface is designed for easy navigation. You can scroll through the entire collection to visually browse the available options and get inspiration. However, for a more efficient search, especially if you have a specific icon in mind, utilize the search bar prominently located at the top of the plugin window. Just type in relevant keywords, perhaps email, search, user, or chart, and the plugin will dynamically filter the results, presenting only the icons that match your query. Once you've found the ideal icon that perfectly suits your design needs, all you need to do is click on it. The plugin will then automatically insert that chosen icon directly onto your Figma canvas. A key advantage here is that these icons are typically imported as scalable vector graphics, or SVGs. This means you have complete flexibility to resize them to any dimension without experiencing any loss of quality or pixelation. Furthermore, you can effortlessly customize their color, stroke thickness, or other properties using Figma's native editing tools, treating them just like any other vector shape. This level of adaptability ensures that the Material Design Icons can be seamlessly integrated and styled to perfectly match your existing design system.